I know I've hunted a lot of bills lately, but after finding that bar note, I want to find more. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure. Welcome back to my channel. I've got another 10 strap bill hunt for you guys today. 100 $1 bills in each of these 10 straps, 1,000 bills to go through. I have a ton of bill information down below in the video description. If you guys are new to bill hunting, I have a lot of good resources. Check them out at your leisure. That being said, with these 10 straps, I'm hoping to find some more old notes, star notes, fancy serial numbers, printing errors, who knows, maybe something fun. You guys know the drill. I'm going to hunt through each one of these straps off camera, and then I'll give you guys strap recaps. Again, we're hoping for at least 10 star notes and 10 straps, maybe a fancy serial number or two, maybe something else. We'll have to see. I'll be back once I've hunted this very first strap, unless, of course, I find something really nice in the middle of it. Wish me luck. Here we go. 10 straps. First strap's been hunted. We have no finds. The only close call is a somewhat of a birthday note, the 31st of March, 1960. Could be someone's birthday. It's not in the proper order for a birthday note, but I'll hold on to it in case one of you watchers out there sees this video and that happens to be your birth date, March 31st, 1960. No star notes in the first strap, but I'll make a quick mention since I forgot to do so. We'll be pulling any star notes we find out and putting them to the side, and at the end of the video, as normal, I'll run through the star notes on the star note lookup site to see if we have any rare ones. One strap down, one kind of a find. Let's see if our luck changes in strap number 2. Strap number 2, no significant finds, but we did find a star note, 2017 E-Series. We'll put it to the side, check it later, and move on to strap number 3 now. Strap number 3 gave us one find. It's a pretty toasty star note, but it's a star note nonetheless, 2013 K-Series. We'll take it, we'll check it later, and move on to strap number 4 now. Strap number 4 was a bust, although we almost had a repeater, 7089, 7189. We needed that 1 to be a 0, or the 0 to be a 1. Toasty bill anyway, but would have been nice to see. 4 straps down, only 2 star notes, and 1 somewhat of a birthday note. Let's see if strap 5 can get us back on the board. Strap number 5 had a lot of crunchy notes in it. We did get another star note in rough shape. I'll take it. We had almost another repeater, 3537, 3587, so close. And then a bill that I'm going to keep because I do like putting together sets of 5 of a kind, whether the bill starts with 5 of the same number, ends with 5 of the same number, or has 5 of the same number in the middle, like this one. It's not really fancy, just something I like to pull aside for my own personal collections, and we'll keep it just the same. One more star note to add to the star note section. We have 3 now through 5 straps. Come on, strap number 6. Strap number 6 gave us 2 more star notes. We now have 5 through 6 straps. One of them is another toasty K-Series from 2013. We'll take it, but I did score myself a B-Series 2013 star note, and I believe that serial number falls within the duplicated serial number range of the valuable ones. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have information about the 2013 B-Series star note series down below in the video description, and if this does fall within range, which I believe it does because it's under 960,000, I'll go ahead and plug it into the website to see if somebody has a duplicate. It does have a crease, it has some pencil or ink marks on it, that's a bummer, but doesn't matter, still a much more valuable star note than normal ones, rare or not. All right, 5 star notes, 6 straps down. Come on, strap 7, let's find more goodies. Strap number 7 was our best strap of the hunt so far. We got 3 star notes in that strap, which now gives us a total of 8 star notes through 7 straps, so we're back to being better than on pace for the 1 per strap average that I usually like to find. We also got our oldest note of the hunt. It's not an 88A series, which means there's no chance for it being a web note, but definitely still cool seeing an older note like this. It's not something I'm going to hold on to in this condition. It's kind of creased up and stuff, and it's not even that old, but still good to see it in circulation. 3 finds, doing better. Let's go strap number 8. Unfortunately, no finds in strap number 8, but we did have an 88A series note. Of course, we checked. It's not a web note, unfortunately. We'll be sending it back. 2 straps left. We're on strap number 9. Strap number 9 was another bust, but we did get a series 1995 note. We already checked. It's not a web note, unfortunately. 8 star notes through 9 straps. We need 2 in this last strap, or we'll take something fancy or a cool serial number. Well, the 10th and final strap of the hunt did give us a star note, and it gave it to us in the first half of the strap, and I was thinking, man, give me one more for 10, but we didn't get it. We got 9. It's another 2013 H series, which we'll go ahead and plug all of these star notes in the star note lookup site in just a second to see if we have any rare ones, and then, of course, I'll bring you back in. But just in recap, 9 star notes, somewhat of a birthday note. I know it's not a true one. I'm going to hold on to it anyway, and then something I like to hold on to, the 5 of the kind note. Not too bad, a total of 11 finds and 10 straps, so overall pretty productive. Now let's see if we have more production with some rare star notes. I'll be back in just a second with a recap of my findings. All right, I finished plugging in the star notes. We have good news and bad news. The bad news is 7 of the 9 star notes are not rare. They're in pretty toasty shape, and their current condition probably only worth $2 or $3 at the most. The good news is that B Series 2013 star note is within the duplicated print run. So I went ahead and checked the database that I have linked down below in the video description. Nobody has submitted this bill as found as far as the sister bill. This is a Fort Worth bill identified by the FW. Obviously, the Washington, D.C. facility would be the other one. And yeah, bottom line is I just submitted it. So hopefully we get a matching pair down the road. The good news is this star note right here, and even though it has creases and it's not in the best shape, is a pretty rare star note. It's a 2017 A E series, and when I bring it up here, plugged it in, only 250,000 on the print run size and only 500,000 on the total printed, so it's right up the midpoint of both rarity scales. So it's pretty rare as far as its print run, as far as the run size, and pretty rare as far as the total printed. Now, typically that would mean it's worth about $10, maybe a little bit more, but in this condition, it's probably only a $5 to $7 bill at best. If it had less creases, it'd be worth a lot more. Either way, it's still a rare one. It's nice getting a rare star note. We haven't got a rare one in a while, and that one certainly qualifies. Hopefully, despite not getting too many fancy serial numbers and not a total of 10 star notes, you guys still found another bill hunt on my channel pretty fun and exciting and informative. If you did, I certainly would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting and thanks for watching.